How's everyone doing today on this nice Friday afternoon? Hello to the internet people, all my subscribers. Good looking for that. Right now I'm showing you guys this 2015 Honda Odyssey EXL with rear entertainment package. Beautiful white, I want to say pearlish color, but it's beautiful white. Let's go around, show you the body, which is in mint condition. Beautiful minivan. Personally, my favorite minivan, the Honda Odyssey. Again, 2015. This baby has 80,000 miles. A lot of nice features. Check out the body though. The body's in mint condition. This baby. Ooh, I love it. Very big car, front wheel drive, loaded with options. Show you in a minute. Leather, sunroof, reverse camera, Bluetooth, auxiliary, all that good stuff. Hold on, I'm just trying not to get one of these cars. Space is limited. Oh my. Here we go. Front. Beautiful body on these Odysseys. These things are huge, man. Sunroof, beautiful beige leather. Lumbar support, everything electronic, automatic doors, 2 large displays with reverse camera, dual temperature control, all that stuff. Check it out. Just hit 80,000 miles on her. She's actually on right now. Drives perfect. Smart key with push to start. Has a cool box, a lot of space. There's your rear DVD. Let me show you. Got rear DVD with remote, dual sliding doors. And you got the rear seats back there. A lot of space. So this vehicle has a New York rebuilt title. I'll show you why. It has a rebuilt title due to collision. The right rear door was damaged. We bought the door and we replaced it and fixed it. So it was just on that sliding door that was fixed, and an airbag was replaced. But as you can see, the work done on it is immaculate. You know, shout outs to Rosario Body Art. Very good work done on the vehicle. You can't tell, you know. But that was it. Nothing in the front, nothing in the back. Tires are like 100%, to be honest with you. So come check her out. I got a super good price on this one, seriously. You know, drives beautiful. BuyRightAutoCenter.com. Peace and love.